Let's be honest. Have you ever caught yourself saying, I will start fresh on Monday? And when Monday arrives, you are not doing what you're supposed to do. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most of us are lazy. But what exactly is laziness? It's not just doing nothing. Laziness is when you know what you should be doing, but something holds you back. You delay, distract yourself, and stay stuck in the same place, even though you want to move forward. If you want to stop feeling lazy and start feeling alive, hear what's really going on and what you can do about it. Why do people feel lazy? There are usually three main reasons people avoid doing the things they know they should. The tasks feel boring or are interesting. They build a habit of avoiding it. They don't have enough energy. Let's break down each of these and how to fix them. Let's face it, a lot of things that we should do and it's good for us, we don't feel like doing it. Maybe it's going to the gym, maybe it's learning a skill, reading, or even cleaning your house. The solution is make it more enjoyable. If you're going to the gym feels like more a chore, try one of these. Go with a friend. Listen to your favorite music or podcasts while working out. Hire a personal trainer who makes you laugh or inspires you. If you're trying to learn a new language but can't get motivated, find someone to chat online for 10 minutes a day or use some apps. Reward yourself with a small treat afterward. The key idea is, if it's boring, make it fun. You build a habit of avoiding. Laziness isn't just a personality trait, it can be a habit. Not going to gym is also a habit. To break this habit, you don't need to go all in. You just need to start. Focus on the first step. Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Schedule a session with a personal trainer. Set a 5-minute timer to just start working on something. When you take the tiny first step, the rest often flows naturally. Once you show up, you're likely to keep going. You should make the first step very easy. Stack the odds in your favor. Make it easier to start than to skip. For example, if you pay for a training session, you will probably go. If you're wearing running shoes, you must probably go for the run. With enough repetition, you will create a habit. And if you create a habit, you don't need motivation. You don't have enough energy. Sometimes you are not lazy, you're just tired. And this can be physically, can be emotionally. Here's the problem. Most people waste their energy without realizing it. So scrolling endlessly in social media, sleeping poorly, skipping meals and eating junk food, drinking too much alcohol, avoiding exercise, overloading your brain with negativity, and so on, so on, so on. All of this is draining you. To get your energy back, try this. Do a digital detox, even just for a day. Go for a short walk or quick workout to get your blood flowing. Cut back on sugar, processed food, and alcohol. Have a good sleep, maybe 7 to 8 hours a night. Start a day with something uplifting, maybe a quote, maybe some motivational video. When your energy goes up, laziness goes down. The hidden cost of laziness. Here what most people don't think about. Laziness isn't just about today, it has a cost. You will pay tomorrow, next month, 5 years from now. Let's do a quick experiment. Imagine your life five years from now. Where do you live? What shape is your body in? What is your income? Who is in your life? How do you feel about yourself? Now ask, what do I need to start today to make that future real? Let's say your vision includes being fit and full of energy. You might realize, I need to start working out 3 times a week. So you ask yourself, is it possible to go to gym 3 times a week? Yes. Is my future worth more than staying in a couch today? Yes. You start to see the trade-off. A few minutes of effort today in exchange for a life you will be proud tomorrow. Final thoughts. You are not lazy, you just need a system. Laziness is not just identity, it's just a signal. It's your mind and body telling you that something is off. Either your task is fun, your habits are working against you, or your energy is low. But once you know why it's happening, you can change it. Start small, make it enjoyable, create better habits, protect your energy, and remember, you don't need to change everything overnight. Just take the first step today.